With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, a thin rod of the length L lying along the x-axis with its and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L, its linear mass upon length, linear density varies with the x. Okay, where the lambda is equal to k into x by L to the power n, where n can be 0 of any positive number. If to position x cm of the center of the mass of the rod is plotted against n, then which of the following graph represents the dependency on the center of mass on n? Okay, then actually we have to find the relation between center of mass with n, where the value of the n is the power of, then lambda is equal to k into x by L to the power n. Okay, then we have to find the relation between n and xcm. Okay, and in this question given, let us consider this is the rod having the x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. Okay, and ends is not uniform, that's why xcm is let us consider this is the xcm. Okay, center of mass of the rod. If this is uniform, then center of mass is lie on L by 2 and length is L. Okay, then using the distribution law, then xcm can be written as integration of dm into x upon integration of dm. Okay, then firstly assume a small length strip dx. Okay, dx at point x, and mass of the dx element is dm. Okay, then xcm is equal to dm integration of dm into x upon dm. Okay, since dm can be written as lambda into dx. Okay, and the value of lambda is k into x by L to the power n into dx. Okay, this is the value of dm. Then using this formula we can write xcm center of mass from point x is equal to 0 to L. Okay, then integration can be written as 0 to L, and dm can be written as k into x by L to the power n into dx upon, similarly integration of 0 to L, dm can be written as k into x by L to the power n into dx. K and L is constant, then k by L to the power n taking common out, then limit is 0 to L x to the power n into dx. Okay, upon into x, sorry, into x, because xcm is dm into x, then the value of dm is this part into x, then x into x to the power n into dx upon, similarly k upon L to the power n and limit 0 to L x to the power n dx. Okay, and when we solve k upon L to the power n, k upon L to the power n is common out, then cancel, then x to the power n plus 1 dx and integration of the limit 0 to L upon 0 to L x to the power n into dx, and integration of x to the power n by x to the power n plus 1 can be written as x to the power n plus 1 is n plus 2 upon n plus 2. Okay, and put the limit 0 to L upon, and this is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and limit is 0 to L. Then x to the power L to the power n plus 2 upon L to the power n plus 1 into n plus 1 upon n plus 2. Okay, and L to the power n plus 2 and L to the power n plus 1, and when we cancel out, then we have only L into n plus 1 upon n plus 2. Okay, then xcm is equal to xcm is equal to L into n plus 1 upon n plus 2. Okay, this is the relation between n and xcm. Okay, if n is equal to 0, okay, if n is equal to 0, then xcm is lie at point L by 2. Okay, and if x is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, then we have the relation n is equal to 0, then lambda is constant. If lambda is constant, then this is this function. Okay, this curve. Okay, then L by 2 xcm is at point L by 2. Okay, then satisfy for the condition. This relation can also be written as xcm is equal to L into n plus 1, then n plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 2, then L into n plus 2, and this is 1 by 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. This is the value of xcm. Okay, using these two relation, first relation and second relation, plot the graph. Okay, firstly, if the value n is equal to 0, then xcm at point L by 2. Okay, then when we see the graph, first graph, n is equal to 0, then L by 2. This having the possibility correct. Okay, and this is the constant value. N is equal to, at any value of n, the xcm is L by 2, and this is wrong option. Similarly, n is equal to 0, this L, but we know that n is equal to 0, the value of x is L by 2, then this is wrong option. Okay, and this is right option. Okay, then we have the two option. Then check using this relation, xcm is equal to L into 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. If the value of n is increasing, okay, if the value of n is increasing, then this value is decreasing. Okay, and this value is decreasing, then overall xcm is increasing. Okay, xcm is increasing. Okay, the value of n is increasing, then xcm is increasing. Then using this relation, we can select option A. When n is increasing, then the value of xcm is increasing. Okay, then option A is the right answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.